Now let's see this question. In this question, transform the object shown in the diagram below by the matrix given. Draw a diagram for each transformation and plot both the object and its image on the same grid. Now the transformation is this. So let's take the matrix 0 1 1 0. Next, multiplied by, take the resultant matrix coordinates of all the points. Now how do we find out the coordinate of P? Right, P here, and the coordinate of P is 2 on x-axis, 1 on y-axis. So it is 2 comma 1. Next, the coordinates of Q, 2 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis. So I'll write this 2 and 3. Next, this is your Q. Then R. R happens to be 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Then S happens to be 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Now, the rule of matrix multiplication is row versus column. So it's 2 cross 2, and the number of rows here is 2, and number of columns is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the rule of matrix multiplication is this should be same. Now are they same? Yes. And the resultant will be this 2 cross 4. So resultant will be 2 rows and 4 column. So let's do the multiplication. So matrix multiplication is this row with the column. So first row with first column. So 0 into 2 plus this 1 with this 1 into 1. Then second row with first column, 0 with, 1 with 2, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Then first row with second column, 0 with 2 plus 1 with 3. Then 1 with 2 plus 0 with 3. Then first row, third column, 0 with 5 plus 1 with 3. Next, 1 times second row, first, third column. So 1 into 5 plus 0 into 3. Then this row with this column. So 0 with 5 plus 1 with 1. Then 1 with 5 plus 0 into 1. Now let's get the answer. So 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 into 2 is 2, 0 into this is 0. Next, 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 2, 2, and this is gone. 0 into 5 is 0, 1 into 3 is 3. Then 1 into 5 will be 5. This part will be 0. 0 into 5 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Then 1 into 5 is 5. So if you observe, it is all interchanged. The row becomes column, column becomes row. Okay, so this you are going to name it as P dash, Q dash, R dash, or S dash. Some may call it as prime also, P prime, Q prime, R prime, and S prime. So let's locate this point on this graph. So first one is 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 will come here. Okay, then next is 3 comma 2. So 3 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis. So that is here. Then next is 3 comma 5. So 3 here and 5 here. Then 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Now join the diagram. Use your scale when you're doing this. Fine. So now name the points. So this is P prime. Second is 3 and 2, Q prime. Third is 3 and 5, R prime, and last is S prime. Now, what is the transformation happening from this place to this? So this transformation happens to be a reflection across this line. Across this line. If the line was drawn here, either the line like this, so this is a reflection across this line, isn't it? So